And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a negative letter logo within a gradient. Under view I've got the smart guides and step only activated, and I use a black fill no stroke color and create a rectangle. Hold shift when you drag that. Then use the move tool, hold shift and rotate it 45 degrees. I'll align it to the center. Now we want to add a gradient. So go to Window and open your Gradient menu. Or click on the symbol. We'll use the default, white and black, and we'll choose two colors. Whatever, I misclicked this one, so I'll delete it. Double click on the circles down there to select the colors. And that's fine. If you want to change the angle like I do here, just select the gradient tool in the left menu and it's done. So this is our gradient. Now we want to create a negative shape. I use the pen tool for that. Simply click on the anchor point, then click and drag on the path. Release the anchor point by going back to the last point that we've created. Now we've got a straight line, go to the path, and again go to the anchor point and drag. So this is what we need. It's an N letter, a simple one. We want to switch it. So now we've got a stroke and a fill. Let me make the stroke red for now so that we can see properly, and I increase the stroke weight. The size depends obviously on the size of the rectangle. About 60 points is fine in this example. We need to take care of the bottom part, so the line of the N needs to be on top of the rectangle. If it isn't, we will have to use the direct selection afterwards. Maybe I'll have to show you this. The bottom part. What you need to be doing is to select only the N, so only the path of the letter, and then go to Object and expand it. Make sure that you have not selected the rectangle. And here it is. I guess at the bottom I need the direct selection tool, on the top I don't. Well, let me use the shape builder tool, hold Alt and get rid of what you don't need. And at the bottom you can see I've got this line and I can't get rid of it. At the top I could. So one way to deal with it is the direct selection tool, another is to simply use the line segment tool. I'll show you this instead. So just create a line as an extension. Select it all, use the shape builder tool, hold Alt, and now we can get rid of it. Make sure to delete the line as well. And that's it. Keep in mind that all of these shapes are now individual shapes. So go to Object and group it all. In some cases you might want to add kind of like a border or a frame. Just create a second rectangle, switch the colors, make it black, and you've got a frame. Could also use gradient color like it was before. I personally don't like it with the frame, so I'll delete it. And that's it. This is how you can create a negative letter shape within this gradient in Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.